So today I'm sitting on my porch. I'm going to show you how to make a really cute kit we have that's in our mini catalog that is retiring. So let's get to it. Let me show you. It is called 3 Cheers for You card kit, and it's an all-inclusive kit. So it comes with 12 cards and envelopes that are printed in this adorable box, and the box will fit all the cards. It also comes with the clear block you will need, as well as the stamp set, and it comes with a Knight of Navy stamp spot. So it comes with, and then it comes with, the only thing you will need is some adhesive, but it comes also with the twine here, and then it comes with these cute copper little embellishments. And I will show you the card bases that it comes with. It comes with these 4 card bases. And then it comes with all the labels to do the stamping. I've already done all the stamping, but these are the 4 different labels. And again, these are the printed envelopes that it comes with. I'm going to set those aside, and I am going to show you how to make all 4 of those as quick as I can. We're going to start with this one. Also, within this little pamphlet, as do all our kits, it comes with the directions on stamping and how much of the twine, the linen thread to use, and just how to put each card together. So we're going to use that as our little directions on the side to put the card together. Okay, so this card needs these pieces. Again, all these pieces came in the kit. All I had to do is pop them out, and they're ready to go. So the first thing I need, I like to have my mini glue dots, my liquid glue, and my dimensionals here with me. So also take your pick tool. I always like to use that. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue on the back of this piece, and I'm lining it up here on the left hand side, maybe just a little bit of that blue showing. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the I already had tied this little bow with the linen thread. It's like I think it's a 12-inch, it says it on the directions, but and then just tie the bow, and then using a little glue dot, I'm going to just put a glue dot on the front of that so that I can stick it on the back of my sentiment. Just stick it right about there maybe. And then these cute flowers that it comes with that that you just pop out, we're going to use a dimensional to adhere that onto the front. But first I'm going to put dimensionals in the back of this piece right here. Peel those off. This card comes together really quick. The whole kit does really. And then I'm lining this up with the edge of that brown piece, if you can see, and then just sticking it down right about there, on there. And then again, I'll add this with a dimensional right about maybe in the back, and then stick it on there like that. And then the last part is these little copper embellishments. They're already self-adhesive, so you just kind of pick them up, stick them down, just to give it a little bit of bling. Okay, so that card is done. I'm going to set that aside. I'll show them all to you at the very end again. Next card is this blue base. Again, directions are inside, so we're going to take a look at that. And this one uses these particular pieces, these little 3 pieces. And what I'd advise is maybe putting your center piece on, then you know exactly kind of like a good center line. And then you can do the other pieces on either side of it, just to get them lined up right. I'm outside on my porch, and my kids are kind of yelling, having a good time, so I actually like that sound. I don't mind. Hope it's not bothering you. Okay, and then again, I already tied a little bow with the linen thread, about 16 inches of linen, and then I'm using a glue dot again to just kind of stick that on the back of that little flag piece. Again, as you might be noticing, I made all of mine thank you cards, but there are really cute sentiments, birthday wishes all around, hooray for tiny miracles, and 3 cheers for you, and then that's cool diamond pattern. So there are other sentiments. I'm just making all of mine as thank you notes because that's what I wanted. Again, just some adhesive on the back, being these dimensionals. This one is so easy. It goes together really fast. Like they all do, but And then you stick that down centered in the middle there, like that. And then we'll add, again, these embellishments randomly. Oops. Ah. There we go. So that card is done. Moving on to the next one. This one's the one with the coral background, and we will use these directions to do that. First thing is this particular, this one I stamped on, this little label. And the first thing I'm going to do is just add with the glue dots. Where'd they go? Okay. Add a little glue dot again. Again, this is about 12 inches of the twine, or not twine, sorry, linen thread. And I just kind of sticking it in the corner there. And then I'll add these little blue flowers that come in it as well to the back. And I find it's best to just kind of look on the front, see where I want to place them, and then I turn them around and add the dimensional. And that way the dimensional is what's holding them on, and I don't have to put any extra adhesive. So same thing with this one, kind of lay it down like that, like I want it, flip it over, put the dimensional on, and then I'll add a couple of extra dimensionals just to be safe. You don't always need to, but I'm going to. And just take off the adhesive. So you can see how quickly this card can come together. And all these cards actually. Oops, there we go. So that card is done like that. And again, we're going to add some of the sparkle to it. More of these. And so that card is finished too. And our last card is this one, this blue one right here. So with that one, I cut about 32 inches of the twine, wrapped around my hand. It wrapped around, I think, about 5 times. And then this one, you'll just stick it on the back of this label. So with that, I'll just flip it over. And I used, well, no, the glue dots can help with that as well. So I'll use my take your pick tool and put a glue dot down for each of those areas, just to get that so that it stays there for me. It's not going to help, it's just getting it in place. And there's another one down there, just to help get it in place so I'm not having to hold on to it. And then that looks good. Well, sort of. It's not quite where I wanted it, but it'll do. It will do. Okay. And then this one only uses a little, one little blue flower. So we're going to stick that on there. And just right where I want it, maybe right about there. Again, same thing, place the dimensional on the back, and then a couple more just to help adhere everything else. I kind of like to overlap the dimensionals with whatever ribbon or linen thread or twine I use too. It kind of helps solidify and stick it there, keep it there. Okay, so this one, I will center it over that little blue stripe, kind of. It doesn't have to be. And then add my bling. So you can see how quick and easy these cards are. And again, they come in a set of 12, so however long that took me, you'll have to do it 2 more times and you'll be done. You can always trim pieces you don't want. You know, maybe I don't want that long. Actually, I don't care. It's not bad. And then there you go. So these are the 4 cards. Again, there's 3 of each of the 4 designs. And I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you do want this kit, again, it is called the 3 Cheers for You kit, and it is in our mini catalog. Just go to my website at sabellastyles.stampinup.net to order, and get it today before it's gone. The end of May, it's gone. So, and there's while supplies last. So thanks for watching. See you later.